Hello everyone, today I will present you the retail product hierarchy. So in this software we can see a lot of categories of product. For example, if we go to the fashion product, we selection that women sweatshirt because we want the product hierarchy product of women's wear. Up dress, for example. So we click here, and here we have the name of the product, the activated date, so the date where the product are enter in the software with a friendly name, search text. When we research a product, we put this name and we find this one. So the product, we have the list of all of the products of dress. So it's like an inventory. We can add the product to do a different research or other. And after that we have all of the details about the product. So the group, the variant group, for example, the size group, color group, style group. So with the barcode and other, normally it's enter, but it's an example, so we don't have all of these details. But normally we can find, do some research about color, size groups, style groups, to see if there are this product in the inventory. We have also the legal entity, the purchase price, sales price. So again, it's an example, so we don't have the good price, and we can change the price to do an example. But we have the code bar, location replenishment, default report, return location, etc., etc., the group, sale tax. So we have all of the information about one product in particular, or a group of product if we select most of a group of product. That is finished. Thank you. Bye.